Hi, this is G.D. Macdonald from the Macdonald Group at PMZ Real Estate. When you sell your house, with so few listings, it's likely more potential buyers will be viewing your house, especially if you work with an agent to price your home correctly. That means a higher chance you will receive multiple offers, buyers will enter a bidding war, and that dynamic can drive the sales price of your home upward. As a buyer, with fewer options available, you're likely to see more competition. So you need to be really strategic to win. Your realtor will help you understand your local market and work with you to act when the time is right. Bottom line, when you are a home buyer, seller, or both, knowledge is truly power.